Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6, day 34, English reading and writing class. Children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 121, that is Unit 9, poem What If. Look at the spelling WHATIF, What If. The last class we have practiced the first stanza. Now let's start the next stanza. Before that, let's recall the first stanza once again. I will read once. Listen carefully, children. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some water crawled inside my ear and pranced and pottered all night long and sang the same old what if song. What if I'm dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? What if I get beat up? What if there's poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? Up to this, we have practiced in the last class, children. Now let's start the next line. I will read once. Listen carefully. Pronounce it properly. Open your mouth. Read louder, children. What if I flunk the test? What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? Now repeat along with me, children. Open your mouth, read louder, pronounce it properly. What if I flunk, F-L-U-N-K, flunk that test? What if green hair grows on my chest? C-H-E-S-T, chest. Pronounce it properly, children. Chest. What if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt, B-O-L-T, bolt. What if a bolt of lightning, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning, strikes, S-T-R-I-K-E-S, strikes. What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? Head starts, S-T-A-R-T-S, starts. What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? B-I-T-E, bite. What if the fish won't bite? Children, now turn the next page, page number 122. The next stanza, I will read once, listen carefully and then you can repeat along with me. Listen carefully, children. Page number 122. What if the wind tears up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well, and then the night time, what if strikes again? Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. Open your mouth and read. What if the wind tears, T-E-A-R-S, tears up my kite, K-I-T-E, kite? What if they start a war, W-A-R, war? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced, D-I-V-O-R-C-E-D, divorced? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late, L-A-T-E, late? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight. Do plus not. Does there it mentioned is apostrophe short form don't. Do not is mentioned as don't. What if my teeth don't grow in straight? S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T is straight. What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? P-A-N-T-S, pants. What if I never learn to dance? Never. N-E-V-E-R, never. What if I never learn? L-E-A-R-N, learn to dance? D-A-N-C-E, dance. What if I never learn to dance? Everything swims well and then everything seems. S-E-E-M-S, swims. Everything seems swell. S-W-E-L-L, swell. And then the night time. What if strikes? S-T-R-I-K-E-S, strikes again. The night time. What if strikes again? Shel Silverstein. So children, take page number 121 and 122, the what if poem. Read properly, pronounce it, open your mouth, read louder, do the reading practice well. Children, the last class we have practiced page number 44, the first two sentences. Now let's start the next sentence. First mention the date, that is 8, today's date 8/2/2021. Look at the sentence. Education makes man perfect. The first letter must be capital letter, children. The first letter is E. Capital E. Start from here, come down, bend, then again go above, bend here. This is the starting point for the next letter. See, start from here, D, bend down, then go above, touch the line, come below, and then next letter U. Spell it and write, children. C, bend like this, curve, then a letter A, T, look at me, T-I-O, and education, keep the dot here, T, education, makes, M must be slanting, children, don't write the letter M in the straight way, it must be slanting, M-A-K-E-S, makes, man, M, again the M must be in slanting, M, A, go above, come down, then join with the next letter, N, education makes man perfect. The letter P, start from here, go above, come down, and then bend like this, E, R, F, see for the letter F, it should go above, touch the point, then come below, then go above, bend like this, then the letter E, C, T, perfect. Read the sentence, children. Education makes man perfect. Do the tracing. The next line you have to write by yourself. Look at the next sentence. Meridians are lines of longitude. See, look at the letter M, the capital letter M. Start from here, bend like this. Go above, touch the point, then again come below. Then again go above, bend like this. See, join like this. The touching point should be in the same line, children. The above, the top, and also the bottom. Look at the next letter is E, M, E, R, I, D. Spell it and write, children. I, A, N, S. Meridians. See, look at the word meridians. R, the letter R, A, R, E. Put a knot for the letter R. Or lines, L, I, N, E, S. Lines. Keep the dot here. Lines of O, F. Bend like this, go above, come down, then again put a knot here in the center. Of longitude. See, L, O. O must in oval shape. O, N, G, I, T, U, D, E. Longitude. So, write like this. After completing this tracing, you have to copy the next line. Where the next date, mention the date as 9/2/2021. Look at here. Nothing will work unless you do. First letter is N, capital N. Start from here, bend like this. How we have written the letter M, the same way you have to write it here. See half of the letter M, you have to write it here. Here at the top, there must be a bend like this. N-O, O must be in oval shape. N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. See, should go like this. Nothing will. W, bend like this, knot must be there. I-L-L, go above, then come down, then bend like this. Nothing will work. W, small letter W, put a knot like this, join with the next letter O. R, K, look at the letter R, K. See, start from here, go above, come down, and then like this you have to write the letter as work. Nothing will work unless you, spell it and write, children. U-N-L-E-S-S, unless. U-Y-O-U, bend like this, unless you do. D-O, do. So likewise you have to write it. See, nothing will work unless you do. Copy the same sentence again, children. Look at the next sentence. Circle is a closed curve. Circle. C, the letter C, capital letter C. See, like this. C, I, R. The knot must be there. R, C, L, E. Circle is I, S, S. Circle is a closed. C, L. See, put a bend like this. O, S, E, D. Closed. Spell it and write, children. D, closed curve. The small letter C, start from here, go above, bend like this. The next letter U, R, V, E, curve. So write like this. Circle is a closed curve. So copy the same sentence again. The next mention the date as 10/2/2021. Look at the sentence, children. My father and mother are my parents. The first letter must be capital letter M. Start from here, bend like this, go above, come down, then again go above, come down, then bend. Here is the starting point for the next letter Y. Come down, see, and put like a loop like this. My father, F. Look at the letter F, come down again, go above. In the center you have to put a knot like this, children. Then with this point you have to join with the next letter H. Join with the next letter H. E, R, father, and A, N, D, and. My father and mother, M must be slanting, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. My father and mother are. The letter A, go above, come down. The letter R, put a knot like this, R. My father and mother are my parents. See, look at the letter M, Y, my parents. The letter P, see like this, P, A, R, E, N, T, S, parents. See, my father and mother are my parents. Like the same way you have to write it, children. Don't write in a single line. How it is mentioned here, the same way you have to write it. So children, take your honeysuckle book, page number 121, unit 9, poem, what of poem, and then page number 122, continuous of the same poem. Read properly, pronounce it, open your mouth, read louder. After completing your reading session, take your handwriting book, page number 44 and up to page number 45, 2 lines are there. Up to that, write it neatly, mention the date, sharpen your pencil, write it neatly. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.